ranking system na pwedeng makita online para sa assessment at evaluation ng performance ng local athletes. At ang open ranking system para naman sa mga clubs o LGU na gustong bumuo ng kanilang tournaments. Pangako ng Signal TV katuwang ang Smart Sports, support para sa lahat ng tournaments at development projects para sa sport na ito.
RC1.com in the form of providing comprehensive coverage, starting with the Philippine Badminton Open this June and future PBAD events. On our free-to-air channels, Buying One Sports, One Sports Plus on PTV, and our OTT channel, Pilipinas Live for both local and global subscribers.
And we want to be we want to enable the public, the lovers, the parents, the players to feel that badminton is close to them on their phones.
Pwede nang mag-register online. Gaganapin ang elimination at semifinals sa First Pacific Leadership Academy Badminton Center sa Antipolo at ang finals sa Gameville Ballpark sa Mandaue.